Okay, my dear students, good morning everyone. I hope that all are good. Okay, before class we have discussed about the introduction part of the tangents and normals. What is the meaning of the tangent, what is the meaning of the normal, how to find the gradient, nothing but the slope of the tangents. When the tangents are parallel, means okay, what about the condition? Means the tangents are parallel, m1 equal to m2, the tangents are perpendicular, product of their slopes is equal to -1. Okay, already I explained that one. How to find the slope? Now slope at the point m is equal to nothing but the dy by dx 100% at a p, given p. Okay, that is called slope of the tangent. What is the slope of the normal? Means -1 by m. Now the slope of the x axis is 0, slope of y axis is not defined, means dx by dy is equal to 0. Slope of, for suppose tangent is parallel to x axis, for suppose what happened? Tangent is parallel to x, for suppose observe that tangent is parallel to x axis. What is the slope of x axis? 0. Okay, now that is dy by dx at p is equal to 100% 0. Slope of tangent and the x axis slope must be equal. For suppose the tangent is parallel to y axis. The tangent is parallel to y axis. Therefore, slope of tangent is equal to 100% infinity. Why? Because slope of y axis must should infinity means not defined. Slope of tangent is nothing but the dy by dx is p. Infinity, okay, is infinity. Infinity reciprocal 0. 1 by infinity means 0. That is dx by dy at p is equal to 0. My dear students, this is also very important point, my dear students. If the tangent of the curve is parallel to y axis, then which one of the following is right? Dy by dx is equal to p. Dx by dy at p is equal to 0. This way you remember these formulas, my dear students. Very important for this one. Okay. Now, what the question is going on? Today we are going to only some problems based on different types of problems. Today I will explain. Okay, my dear students. What are the problems is going on now? Now you observe that what the question is there? Find the point on the curve. We will find the points on the curve. First of all, this is the curve. Given curve is this one. No problem. Whatever may be, not in this way, but this is the curve. Find the point on the curve. Let px1, y1 be any point on the curve. Means this point satisfies the curve. At which means at this point, the tangent as the equation. Now at the point the tangent is clearly is given. What is the given? Y is equal to x minus 11. Now we will find the point. Those points must and should satisfy the curve and the line. Okay. Now here curve is given, point is given. Simply curve is given, point is given, 100%. We can find the slope. How to find the slope? Means m is equal to dy by dx at p. But at that point we can find the tangent. Already tangent is given. Means this slope, line slope must be equal. Why? Because this is the tangent to this curve only. Means slopes are not different. The curve as a tangent means have only one tangent at all. Understood or not? Now first what we do? Let p x1 y1 be any point on the curve. What is the curve is going on? Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. This is equation number 1. This point lies on this one, that is y1 is equal to x1 cube minus 11x1 plus 5. This is equation number 2. No doubt at all. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now one differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to x cube means derivative 3x square minus 11x derivative is 11 plus 5 derivative is 0. Now slope M is equal, M means you know that slope of tangent at P. M is equal dy by dx at P. What is M? Slope of tangent at P, that equal to M, that equal dy by dx at P. What happened? P means, what is the P? X1, Y1. Substitute 3x1 square minus 11. Okay, my dear students. Now here slope of tangent, but at the same point, the tangent is given. At the same point, tangent is given. Means the slope of this tangent and this tangent must be equal. Why? Means at that point the tangent is given. This slope must be equal. What is the given tangent? Y is equal x minus 11. Y is equal x minus 11. It is in the form of y is equal mx plus c. Mx plus c. Now slope of the line. Our formula minus of x coefficient by y coefficient. What is the x coefficient? 1 by y coefficient. This is that side. That is minus 1. That equal 1. Slope of a line. Slope of tangent line, not slope of tangent, is equal minus 1 means 1. But at the point the line have the tangent have the slope this one. The given tangent have the slope 1. These two must and should equal. They are the same point. The curve have the same tangents, means have the same slopes. But 3x1 square minus 11 is equal to 1. What happened? 3x1 square is equal to 12. x1 square is equal to 4. x1 equal to how much? Plus or minus 2. x1 equal to plus or minus 2. Now we will find the y1. What happened? For suppose the first case, what happened? x1 is equal to, what is y1? y1 is equal to 2 cube means 8 minus 22 plus 5. 2 cube minus 11 into 2, 22 plus 5. 13, 8 plus 5, 13 minus 22, 9 minus 9. y1 equal to minus 9. What the point means? 2 comma minus 9. Next, x1 equal to minus 2. Now y1 is equal. Minus 2 whole cube means minus 8. Minus 2 means minus into minus plus 22 plus 5. That equal 22 plus 5, 27 minus 9 means 19. What are the required points? The required points are 2 comma minus 9 and minus 2 comma 19. These are the required points. Okay, my dear students. 2 comma minus 9, minus 2 comma minus 19 of these 2 points. Now, okay, these 2 points okay, but what is going on? These two are right or wrong? What I am saying, px1 y1 must and should lies on the curve. 100% these 2 points lies on the curve. That point also lies on the tangent. For suppose y value is equal to minus 9, substitute here, y value is equal to minus 9, x value 2, 2 minus 11 minus 9. Okay, this point satisfied. This point must and should satisfy. Now substitute this one, y value 19, y value 19, x value minus 2 minus 11 minus 13. This point not satisfied. That's why how many points on the curve? Only one point, that is 2 comma minus 19 satisfies the both the curve and the line. That's why how many points are there means only one point. That one is 2 comma minus 9. Find the points on the curve means 2 comma minus 9 lies on the curve. Parallel means we will take the slopes equal. Perpendicular means product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. Don't confuse, my dear students. Now we will go to the next problem. Find the equation of the tangent and normal. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. X is equal to 1 minus cos theta, y is equal to theta minus sin theta, at theta is equal to pi by 4. At theta is equal to pi by 4. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. What is the formula of equation of tangent is equal to y minus y1 equal to m into m means dy by dx at p. P means x1 comma and be any point on the curve. Here these two are the x is equal to something, y is equal to this one. X is equal to this one, y equal to this one. These two are called parametric equations. The point is called parametric point. That is x comma y. 1 minus cos theta comma theta minus sin theta is said to be the parametric point. What is the parametric point? Observe that. For suppose now here observe that parametric point. Parametric point PT means x comma y, that is equal to in Cartesian form 1 minus cos theta. Theta is clearly given pi by 4 comma theta minus sin theta. Don't confuse, okay. 1 minus cos 45 means 1 by root 2. Theta means pi by 4 minus sin 45 means 1 by root 2. This is the point. What is the point? 1 minus 1 by root 2 comma pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. At this point we can find the equation of tangent. At theta equal to pi by 4 means now we can find point we have. What is the point means? Parametric point means x comma y, that equal this one. This is the point is x1 comma y1. This point x1 comma y1 be any point on the curve. Okay. Now we can find the slope. How to find the slope? You know that. Now dx by d theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, dx by d theta is equal 1 derivative 0, cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Already minus is there, means plus sin theta. Dy by d theta is equal theta derivative is 1 minus sin theta derivative is cos theta. Okay, my dear students. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. That equal to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta by 2 by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, my dear student. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. What happened this one? 2 cancel, sin square, sin cancel. Sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. That equal tan theta by 2. Now slope m is equal to dy by dx at p. P means theta. Here theta is equal to 45 degrees. That equal tan 45 by 2. That is 22.5 degrees. Here theta value 45. 45 by 2 means 22.5 degrees. So what is the value of tan 22.5? Root 2 minus 1. Tan 22.5 is equal to root 2 minus 1. Okay, my dear students. Now point is there, slope is there. Now equation of tangent. Now the equation of tangent h theta is equal to pi by 4 is, what is the formula? Y minus y1. Y1 value pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 is equal to m into, m means root 2 minus 1 into x minus x1. X minus x1 means x minus 1 plus 1 by root 2. Leave this one, no problem at all. You will get the 100% full marks. Y minus pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 is equal to root 2 minus 1 into x minus 1 plus 1 by root 2. That is the equation of tangent at the point. Very, very important, my dear students. We will do this one. Whenever the parametric equations are given, you can find the directly point. This is x comma y is the parametric point that must be satisfies the given curve. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem? Find the equation of tangent and normal at a point t on the curve. At a point t on the curve, x is equal to a cos cube t, comma y is equal to a sin cube t. X is equal to a sin cube t. Sorry. X is equal to a sin cube t, x is equal to a sin cube t, y is equal to b cos cube t. X is equal to a sin cube t, y is equal to b cos cube t. Find the equation of the tangent and normal at the point t on the curve. At the point t on the curve means already I told you x comma y. At the point means at x comma y. Okay, what is the point? Find equation of tangent and normal at t, parametric point t. What is the parametric point? Solution. Parametric point. parametric point. Parametric point is equal x comma y, that equal a sin cube t comma b cos cube t. This is the parameter. At this point, we will find the equation of tangent and the normal. That's why we will find the, this is point is there. This is nothing but the x1, y1. This is the point. Now our goal is slope. How to find the slope? M is equal dy by dx at t. Now dx by dt. Now differentiate. Dx by dt is equal to a into sin cube t. 3 sin square t into cos t. That equal to 3a sin square t into cos t. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to dy by dt. That is equal to b into 3 cos square t into minus sin t. That equal to minus 3b cos square t into sin t. That is dy by dt. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Okay, my dear students. Minus 3b cos square t sin t by 3a sin square t cos t. 3 cancel. Minus b by a cos square cos cancel, sin square sines cancel. Minus b by a into cos by sin. Okay, cos t by sin t in this way. Cos by sin means again that is cot t. Okay, now this is now slope. M is equal to dy by dx at t. Nothing but the minus b by a into cos t by sin t. T value not given. T is equal to 45, not given in this problem. Exactly at t means this point. Okay, at that what is the substitution going and means in place of t means t only, that is minus b by a cos t by sin t. Now we will find the equation of tangent. What is the formula of equation of tangent? Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to, now the equation of tangent at t is y minus y1, y1 value b cos cube t is equal to m means minus b by a cos t by sin t into x minus a sin cube t. X minus a sin cube t. Okay, my dear students. Now we will go to the calculation part. Now cross multiplication. Ay sin t minus ab cos cube t sin t. That equal minus bx cos t plus ab cos t sin cube t. Just multiplication, my dear friends. Minus this side plus this minus that side. Okay. Ay sin t plus bx cos t is equal to ab cos cube t sin t plus ab cos t sin cube t. Now taken common, ab cos t sin t. AB cos t sin t taken common out. Now cos square t plus sin square t. Cos square t plus sin square t how much? 1. That equal AB cos t sin t. Now first of both sides divide with AB cos t sin t. What happened? This is AY sin t plus BX cos t. Now both sides divide with AB cos t sin t. Now A sin t cancel. What is the remaining term? Y by B cos t plus X by A cos t cancel. A cos t cancel means A sin t. A sin t is equal to 1. This is equation of tangent. Now we will find the equation of normal. What is the equation of normal? Same, means the equation of normal is equation of normal at t is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m. minus 1 by m. You know the slope? Minus 1 by m minus b by a cos t by sin t. Okay, my dear students. Okay, minus b by a. Minus b by a cos t by sin t. Now, minus minus cancel. This is a sin t by y is equal to b cos q t is equal to a sin t by b cos t into x minus a sin cube t. X minus a sin cube t. Okay? Any doubt? No doubt. Now, cross multiplication. by cos t minus b cos power 4t is equal to x ax sin t minus b square cos power 4t, b into b s a square sin power 4t. Now, that is this side, this is that side, ax sin t, this is that side, ax sin t minus by cos t, that is this side, a square sin power 4t minus b square cos power 4t. Leave this one. In this way, we will find the equation of tangent and normals. Okay, my dear students. Now, what is the going on next problem? Each and every question we will do in this way only. First derivative, we will find the differentiation of the given curve. We substitute the point in that curve. Okay, you will get easily the point. Slope, we will get easily the slope. Okay, my dear students, don't confuse. Okay, my dear students. Now, we will go to the next problem. Show that the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 touches the curve. Touches means tangent. Touches the curve y is equal to b into e power minus x by a at the point where it crosses the y-axis. Show that the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 touches the curve, means this is the tangent. Touches the curve means what is the, for suppose this is the curve, whatever may y is equal, this is the curve for suppose. This line is touches. Touches means 100% tangent, that is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Where it touches means, where is cross means at the, where it crosses the, at that point where it crosses the y-axis. The curve cross the y-axis means intersect the y. Already yesterday I told the curve intersect the y-axis means this point, that is P, that is 0 comma y. At that point, at this point, whenever curve meets the x-axis or cuts the x-axis means y equal to 0. When the curve meets the y-axis, cuts the y-axis means x value is equal to 0. At this point, we will find the tangent. The tangent is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Very, very important question. What is the given curve? Listen. What is the given curve? Given curve is equal to y is equal to b into e power minus x by a. But it cross the y-axis at p, per suppose. Let it cross the y-axis something point. It cross the y-axis means at a particular point at p. That is, in this one x is equal to 0. Observe that. Substitute x is equal to 0. What happened? Y is equal to b into x value 0. 0 by something 0. E power 0 means 1. That is y is equal to, what is that? Y is equal to p. What is the point? Therefore, the curve crosses the x-axis at 0 comma b. At this point we will find the equation of tangent. That equation of tangent must should this one. touches means 100%, that is the tangent. Now we can find the slope. Now differentiate. Dy by dx is equal b into e power x derivative e power x minus x by a derivative is minus 1 by a. E power x derivative e power x minus x by a derivative is minus 1 by a. That equal minus b by a into e power minus x by a. This is dy by dx. Now we want slope. Now slope of tangent at P, that equal to dy by dx at P. P means how much? 0 comma 7. Sorry, 0 comma b. In this one you have substituted x value 0, y value b. Y nothing. X value 0 means this is 0. No, sorry, this is 1. E power 0 means 1. That is the answer is minus b by a. Minus b by. Okay, my dear students. Minus b by into e power 0. E power 0 means 1. We have point is there. Point is there. Slope is there. Now equation of tangent. Now the equation of tangent at P is y minus b is equal, y minus y1 is equal to m means minus b by a into x minus x1 means x minus 0. Cross multiplication, ay minus ab is equal minus bx. Minus bx this side plus bx. Bx plus ay minus that side equal ab. Now both sides divided with ab. What happened? Both sides divided with ab. Bx by ab plus ay by ab is equal to ab by ab. Ab by ab is 1. bb cancel, x by a plus a cancel, y by b equal to 1. That is the required tangent. Touches means 100% tangent to the curve. Where the already yesterday I told you what the curve meets the x-axis. Whenever curve meets the x-axis means y is equal to 0. Substitute y equal to 0 in the given curve, we can find the point. At that point, we can find the tangent or normal. Okay, my dear students. Now we will go to the next problem. We will go to the next problem. In this way, we will complete the remaining problems. Very simple. First, we learn the what is that one concept, how to do. Okay, so many means ideas I already explained. Whenever the lines are parallel, perpendicular, tangent, x slope of x-axis, slope of y-axis, curve meets the x-axis, curve meets the y-axis. Each and every one I explained already. Okay, now we are going to the next problem. Find the equation of for the curve y is equal 4x cube minus 2x power 5. For the curve y is equal 4x cube minus 2x 5. Find all points. Find all points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Passes through the origin. The tangent passes through the origin. The tangent passes through the origin. Find all points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Okay, my dear students. First we will find the tangent. The tangent must be passes through the origin. In that case, we will find the points on the curve. For suppose this is the curve. For suppose this curve is lies on the curve. You draw that one. This is the tangent. This tangent passes through the origin. This tangent passes through the origin. In this case, we will find the x1 comma y1. I think understood. Okay, my dear student, first we can find the tangent at px1, y1. After that, the tangent passes through 0, 0. We will find easily the equations, means values. Okay, let px1, y1 be any point on the curve. That is y is equal 4x cube minus 2x power 5. Okay, once I saw 4x cube minus 2x power 5. Very nice. Okay, my dear students. Now, this is equation number 1. This point is lies on y1 is equal 4x1 cube minus 2x1 power 5. Okay, now we will find the tangent. Tangent means y minus y1 is equal. Point is there. Now we can find the slope. M. Differentiate with respect to x. Now dy by dx is equal to x cube derivative 3x square means 3x square into 4, 12x square minus x 5x power 4 means 5 to the 10x power 4. Okay, my dear students. Slope m is equal dy by dx at p 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4. Okay, 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4. Now equation of tangent. What happened equation of tangent? The equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m means what is the m? 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4 into x minus x1. But tangent passes through the origin. Tangent passes through the origin means it passes through, it passing through 0, 0, 0 will substitute at x and y. x1, y1 numerical values, you cannot substitute at x and y1. X and y, 0 minus y1 is equal to 12x1 power 4 minus 10x1 power 4. Sorry, 12x1 square minus 10x1 power 4 into x value 0 means minus x1. This is x value 0 minus x1. Now minus y1 minus x1 means here this one cancel. Now y1, what is the y1 value? Here clearly is there. y1 means 4x1 cube minus 4x1 cube minus 2x1 power 5 is equal, multiply 12x1 cube minus 10x1 power 5. Now this side, this is that side, that is this side. 12 minus 4, 8x1 cube is equal to this is this side, this is this side. 10 minus x1 power 5, 10 minus 2, 8x1 power 5, 8 cancel. x1 power 5 is equal to x1 cube. Now cube cancel. x1 square is equal to 1. x1 equal plus or minus 1. Yeah, x1 is equal to plus or minus 1, 100%. Yes or no? Yes. x1 equal to plus or minus 1 means, now we will take in the common means not directly 0 also we will get. How? Here observe that x1 cube taken common, 1 minus x1 square minus 1 equal to 0. Here x1 cube is equal to 0 means x1 equal to 0 or this one. Means what are the values of that one? x1 0. What about y1? y1 also 0. x1 equal to 1. What about y1? 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means 2. x1 equal to minus 1. What about y1? Minus 4 plus 2, that equal to minus 2. What are the points? 0, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2 are the points. Okay, my dear students. This way we will do the very important question, this one also. Okay, before asking how many times? 2 or 3 times asking in the CBSE examination point of view. For the curve, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Find all the points at which the tangent. Where is the tangent here? All points here, px1, y1. Must ensure the tangent passes through the origin. Okay, my dear students. Now we will go to the next. What is that mean? Angle between the two curves. Already yesterday I explained that one. Very important questions is going on. Angle between the two curves. How to find the angle between the two curves? Now, next topic is angle between two intersecting curves. Yesterday I already explained intersecting curves. Angle between the two intersecting curves. The angle between the two intersecting curves is nothing but the angle between the tangents at the point of contact. Angle between the tangent. For suppose y is equal f of x be a curve, next y equal g of x be a curve. This is one curve, for suppose this is second curve. These two intersect at the point something P. Now first curve y is equal f of x is there. At this point we will draw the tangent, for suppose. Again we will draw the tangent at the suppose. Now this one. Angle between the two intersecting curve. Otherwise you write here also, in this way also. Here for suppose this is P, this one. Here intersect, maybe the curves intersect at the 2 points. Here also you draw the tangent. The angle here same. How to do? First, curve is given means, for suppose the first curve is given, second curve is given. Find the point of intersection first. What is the working rule? First we can find the point of intersection of those two curves, means we will find the P. First step we will find the P. At this point slope of tangent M1 is equal dy by dx at P. M1 means slope of the tangent to the first curve. We differentiate the first curve or substitute the P, that equal M1. M2 dy by dx at P. Second curve differentiation, you substitute the P, you will get the M2. M1, M2. And theta be the angle between them. The slope M1, slope M2. Theta be the angle between them. Already before class, please, once you will see the class lecture 1. In that one I explained each and every one. What is tan theta 1, what is the tan theta 2, how to find the angle between the two lines. Tangent nothing but the lines. Okay. Now tan theta is equal to acute angle modulus of M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. Now for suppose the angle between the two curves means nothing but the angle between the tangents is right angle, means 90 degrees. Whenever the angle between the two intersecting curves is 90 degrees, those two curves are orthogonal curves. Orthogonal intersect. Show that the curves intersect orthogonally, means the angle between them, the tangents, the angle between the tangents nothing but the angle between the curves must be equal to the 90 degrees. Okay, my dear students, this is 90 degrees means the two curves intersect orthogonally. Okay, orthogonally means theta is 90, tan 90 infinity 1 by 0. Already yesterday M1 into M1 equal M2 means the two curves touches each other. M1 equal, show that the two curves touches each other. Show that the two curves touches each other means you can find the same process. First we can find the point of intersection. After that we can find the M1, we can find the M2. Both M1 and M2 are equal. The two curves touches each other. Next, M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Product of their slopes equal to minus 1 means the two curves intersect orthogonally. The two curves intersect orthogonally means the angle between the tangents is 90 degrees, then the curves are intersecting orthogonally. Okay, my dear students. Understood or not? First, what is the working rule? Whenever first is given means first we can find the point of intersection of the two curves. After that, differentiation of the first curve with respect to x, substitute, we get the M1. Differentiation of the second curve with respect to x, substitute P, we get the M2. Let theta be the acute angle, tan theta equal M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. For suppose in the examination point of view, show that the curves touches each other means M1 equal to M2. For suppose that the curves orthogonally means M1 into M2 is equal minus 1. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to the one problem. Find the angle between the following curves. Find the angle between the following curves. Find the angle between the following curves. Y square equal 4x and x square equal 4y. Y square equal 4x and x square equal 4y. Find the angle between the curves. Y square equal to 4x. This one. X square equal to 4y. And this is the compass origin, this point, here, here. Find the angle between the curves. Angle between the curves, nothing but it is origin not here. You will find this one, you will find this one, angle between this one at this point. Those compass are observed that these are passes through the origin. One point of intersection must should origin. Now here you can find first point of intersection. Let P be the point of intersection. How to find? Means solving these two equations. From this one, for second equation you will find the y. Here y is equal to how much? X square by 4. Here substitute here in this one. What happened? Y means x square by 4 whole square is equal to 4x. X square by 4 means x power 4 by 16 is equal to 4x. Now x power 4 is equal to 64x. Now taken common x cube minus 64 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x cube is equal to 64. X is equal to 4. 0 comma 4. Sorry, 0. This is 0. Whenever x is 0, automatically y equal to 0 by 4. 0. It means point of intersection is 0 comma 0. X value 4. 4 square. 16 by 4 means 4. Therefore, what are the point? X equal to 0 means y equal to 0. X equal to 4 means y equal to. X is equal to 4 means y is equal to 4 square. 16 by 4 means 4. What are the point of intersection? 0 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. At the 0 comma 0 and 4 comma 4. 0 comma 0 nothing. Passes through the 0 comma 0 nothing. Yet we will find the 4 comma 4. Okay, my dear students. The point is clearly is given 4 comma 4. Now 1. This is 1. This is 2. 1 differentiate with respect to x. What happened? Y square derivative 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4x. 4 into x derivative is 1. Now dy by dx is equal to 4 by 2y. 4 by 2y. Therefore m1 is equal to dy by dx at p. At p. P value is 4 comma 4. 4 by 2 into y value is 4 means 8. That equal to 1 by 2. Okay, my dear students. Now second curve. This is 2 differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of 2 with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to x square derivative 2x. 2x by 4. 2x by 4 equal to x by 2. Now m2. m2 is equal to dy by dx at p. That equal to at p. P value is 4 comma 4. You have substitute 4. 4 by 2. 4 by 2 equal to. Now I have m1, m2. Let theta be the angle between the curves. Curves nothing but tangent. Angle between the curves. Okay. Now tan theta is equal formula m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Now m1 means 1 by 2 minus 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 3 by 2 by denominator 2 cancel 1 plus 1 means 2. That equal 3 by 4. Tan theta equal 3 by 4. Theta is equal tan inverse of 3 by 4. This way we will complete the problems. Very, very important. First, what is going on? First, we will find the point of intersection of those two curves where intersecting these two curves. After that, at the point of intersection, how to find the point of intersection means we substitute one curve into the another curve. Calculation part is going on. You can find the p. At that p, differentiation the first curve, substitute p, we get the m1. Differentiation of the second curve with respect to x, substitute p in that differentiation, get m2. Now theta be the angle between the curves, you know the formula, substitute. This is the process. How to find the angle between the two curves means first we will find the point of intersection of those two curves. Okay, my dear students. After that, differentiation of the first curve with respect to x, you substitute the p value in that one, we will get m1. Again second curve we will differentiate with respect to x, substitute p in that one, we will get m2. Okay. Now m1 into m2 or m1 is equal to m2, you will observe if the slopes equal means the curves means touch each other. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1 means the curves must and should perpendicular to each other, means orthogonal. Okay, show that the curves, very very important, show that the curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at right angles, cut at right angles. If means then prove that 8k square equal to 1. 8k square is equal to 1. Cut at right angles, then you have to prove that 8k square is equal to 1. Cut at right angles means orthogonal. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Now, first these two curves cut at right angles means intersect. First of all, for suppose this is curve y square, for suppose this one, this is maybe xy is equal to k, xy is equal to c square means rectangle hyperbola. Okay, hyperbola means whatever may be. Here this is also in this way. For suppose these two curves intersect here at this point. This is px1 y1. The angle between the curves is how much is given? 90 degrees is given. Now you will find m1, m2. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1 condition will apply. Why M1 into M2 equal to minus 1? Means right angles, means 90 degrees, means orthogonal. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Let observe that, let px1 y1 be the, here k is there, we cannot find the values, means numerical values. Okay, we cannot find out. Okay, let px1 y1 be the point of intersection of x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Point of intersection means what happened? Substitute x1 is equal to y1 square and x1 y1 is equal to k. For suppose this is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. Now at this point you can find the slope of tangent m1, slope of tangent m2, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1 condition apply. You substitute these values, you get the answer 8k square equal to 1. Now one differentiate with respect to x. X is equal to y square. Differentiate, one differentiate with respect to x. X derivative 1, y square derivative 2y into dy by dx. From this one, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y. Now slope m1 is equal to dy by dx at p. P means x1 y1 means 1 by 2y1. x1 y1, that value substitute in this one. Now 2 differentiate with respect to x. Product rule. UV method, UV. X into dy by dx plus y into x derivative 1 is equal to k means 0. Now dy by dx is equal to how much? Minus y by x. M2 that equal dy by dx at p that equal minus y1 by x1 at p. But what happened? But the curves are, the angle between the curves is right angles, but the curves intersect orthogonally. Orthogonally means right angles. That is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. What about m1? M1 means 1 by 2y1 into m2 means minus y1 by x1 is equal to minus 1. Here y1 cancel. What happened? Minus minus cancel. 1 by 2x1 is equal to 1. Okay, my dear students. Now x1 is equal to how much? 1 by 2. x1 is equal to 1 by 2. x1 1 by 2 means y1 is equal to 100% k by 2. Substitute in 4. x1 y1 is equal to k. x1 means y1 is equal to 100% 2k. x1 value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into y1 is equal to k. y1 is equal to 2k. Okay. Now these x1 y1 substitute in 3. x1 comma y1 substitute in 3. What happened? What is the third equation? x1 is equal to y1 square. What about x1? x1 means 1 by 2. What is 2k? 2k means y1 means 2k whole square. Now 1 by 2 is equal to 4k square. Now 1 is equal to 8k square. 1 is equal to 8k square. Okay, my dear students. In this way, we will complete the remaining problems. Very, very important topic for board examination or any competitive exam purpose. Okay, if you have any doubt, please contact me. and please subscribe the my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you one and all.